In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an image in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a reference image like a logo, a site photo, or a scanned sketch into your drawing so you can place it precisely and keep your workflow clean. Start by going to the command line and typing image attach. Then press enter. This command opens the image attachment workflow directly, and it works regardless of which workspace you are in. If you are new to the command line, don't worry, AutoCAD will autocomplete as you type. And the command isn't case sensitive. Next, a standard file selection window appears. Browse to the folder where your image file is stored. Select it and click Open. AutoCAD supports common formats like JPEG and PNG, among others. It's a good idea to keep your image in a stable project folder so the reference path remains valid, especially if you share the drawing with others or move it between computers. Now you'll see the Attach Image dialog box. This is where you control the image's insertion point, scale, and rotation before placing it. Or choose to set those values on screen. If you already know the exact coordinates where the image should land, enter the insertion point here. If not, enable Specify on screen to click the location interactively after you close the dialog. For scale, think about your drawing units. If your drawing is set to feet or meters and your image represents real-world dimensions, choose a scale that makes sense for your layout. You can type a numeric scale here. Or again, choose Specify on screen, so you can visually size it with your cursor. Keep in mind that you can always refine the size later, but getting close now will save time. Rotation controls the angle at which the image is placed. Enter a degree value if you know it. Or pick Specify on screen to rotate the image as you place it. This is handy if your image needs to align with an existing line or building edge. When your options are set, click OK. If you selected Specify on screen for any of the fields, AutoCAD will prompt you in order. Click to set the insertion point. Move your cursor or enter a value to set the scale, and then confirm the rotation by dragging or typing an angle. You'll see the image appear in your drawing area as a referenced object, ready to use as a visual guide for tracing, annotating, or coordinating details. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.